Starting my today's vlog with my lunch thali. In my thali there is rice, a piece of lemon, cauliflower pakora and a yummy dal. Hello viewers, how are you all? Welcome back to our channel. I hope all of you are doing very good. We are also very good. So here we are today again with a new vlog. And happy Dhanteras to you all. Happy Dhanteras and Diwali wishes to all of you and your families. And here I made some designer diyas with expired nail colors and beads.
नेल पेंट हो गई
Here I am painting my diyas with nail paint because they give a very beautiful luster and they make my diyas oil proof so they don't leak any oil. And then I am going to decorate them with beads.
just like this.
Decorating with beads. After lighting the diyas, we came for a trip to Big Bazaar and Vishal. See how beautifully our town is decorated with lights. So we reached Big Bazaar. See what we are wearing today. FBB has some amazing festive deals. Everything is in buy one get one free. And the styles were awesome. See, all the mannequins are ready in ethnic outfits for Diwali. These shoes were in buy one get one too. I wanted to check some boots for myself, but mom said not today because today is Dhanteras and we don't buy shoes in Dhanteras. Jia, what are you doing?
Nothing.
And Jia is always checking one thing or the other. When mom was busy in the cash counter, I was just roaming around with the camera on. Tell me in the comments who else is a fan of FBB collection because I find them great. FBB has given buy one get one free on ethnic long skirts for the first time, so maybe mom will buy one or two skirts. So about our Dhanteras shopping, we bought all these things. We bought this plates and bowl set from Vishal because they were giving it in 199. So we bought it and we will use it in puja for Diwali. And we bought this silver, we call it Shidurdani, that is married women keep their vermilion in it. Wait, I'm showing. So we bought one for mom.
এটা কই এটা দিয়ে কি জানি বলেন একটা তো ওই গুল্লুটা করে আর আরেকটা যে লাইন একটা
Since Jia's ear piercing is not yet done, so we ordered one gold ring for her earlier, so we bought it today. Here are the rings.
জানাটা জানা ওটা কান ফোটা হয়েছে आखिरकार मेरा कान का पहनने का मिला ना
पर अभी तक तुम्हारा कान में छेद नहीं हुआ है.
हाँ मेरे कान में छेद अभी तक भी नहीं हुआ इस वीक पर भी नहीं हुआ होगा
After Diwali.
आफ्टर दिवाली होगा
जिया को तो डकार आ गया सुन के. So this was all about our Dhanteras shopping. I'm feeling very tired today because I woke up very early.
আমি আর মা ফার্স্টে উঠেছি
তুই আর মা আগে উঠেছিস তারপরে 10টা পর্যন্ত কে ঘুমিয়ে. And lastly, if you
like our videos, please like, share and subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon so you get the notification whenever